In this video, I'll guide you through how to manually enroll records in workflows in HubSpot. Whether you're managing contacts, companies, or deals, understanding how to manually enroll these records can significantly streamline your workflow processes. So let's dive in and see how you can accomplish this with ease. First, you'll want to navigate to the automation section within your HubSpot dashboard. Once there, select Workflows. This is where all the magic happens. Workflows are essentially automated processes that help you manage and nurture your relationships with leads and customers. They can automate a variety of tasks, from sending emails to updating contact properties, but today we're focusing on manually enrolling records. Once you've opened the Workflow section, select the specific workflow you want to work with. This could be anything from a simple email follow-up sequence to a more complex lead nurturing campaign. After selecting your desired workflow, look to the top right corner of the screen. Here, you'll find the Enroll button. Clicking this will start the process of enrolling records manually. Now, you'll be presented with a choice of methods for enrollment. If you want to choose individual records, this is where you'll search for and select specific people or deals to enroll. This method is particularly useful if you have a small number of records you need to add, or if you are targeting specific contacts or deals based on certain criteria. Simply type the name or email of the contact you're looking to enroll, and HubSpot will help you find the correct record. When manually enrolling records, it's important to keep in mind the criteria set for the workflow. Make sure the records you are enrolling meet the necessary criteria for that specific workflow to ensure everything runs smoothly. This is crucial because if your records don't meet the criteria, the automated actions set up in your workflow might not trigger as expected, leading to potential gaps in your processes. If you're wondering why you might need to manually enroll records when workflows are designed to automate processes, there are a few scenarios where this is beneficial. For instance, you might have recently updated your criteria or are testing a new workflow to see how it performs. Manually enrolling a few records allows you to control the process and monitor outcomes closely before rolling it out on a larger scale. Additionally, manual enrollment can be a great tool when you have a one-off situation that requires immediate attention. It allows you to bypass the usual automated triggers and insert a record into a workflow without waiting for the automation to catch up. Finally, once you've selected and enrolled your records, take a moment to review the workflow's progress. This is a good habit to ensure everything functions as intended and to observe how effectively your records are moving through the workflow stages. And there you have it. This simple guide has shown you how to manually enroll records in workflows in HubSpot. By following these steps, you can ensure that your workflows are populated with the right records, helping you maintain efficient and effective automation. Thanks for watching, and make sure to subscribe for more helpful tutorials.